guys, welcome back to my channel, SHANNA4 hair. If you're new, welcome to the channel. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to blend colors together to make your own custom color. So I'm actually in the middle of doing my hair. This is why I have a bonnet on. I'm not done. So I was going to show you guys how I created this color and how to properly blend the colors together to make your own custom color. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let's get into this video. Alright guys, so for my color, I'm going to be using color 4, 27, and 613, and I'm just going to blend them together, which is going to give me this color that I have right here. So what you want to do is take a bit of each. So I'm using the pre-stretched hair and it comes with 3 bundles in it. So I took 1 bundle from each color and then I'm just going to blend it. So all you want to do is literally split it in half. So now it looks like this. Stack it on top and just keep splitting it in half. And keep mixing it, and these colors are just gonna start blending all together. Just keep splitting it. You can choose when to stop, but like I like when mine is really blended so it's not like thick chunky pieces. But you can choose when you want to stop blending yours, but if you really want a good blend, keep doing this and you will get a nice blend. So you just take it apart, just split it in the middle, stack it on top again, split it down the middle. You just keep mixing it together. That's all you're doing. It's very, very simple. And this way you can create colors that they don't sell in the hair store, just make up your own. And then too, with your clients, you can offer more variety. You're not limited. So just keep doing that. And as you can see, it's slowly starting to come together. I'll probably speed this part up, guys, so you guys don't have to just watch, but it's really simple. All I'm doing is splitting it. Oops. Splitting it, putting it back together. Splitting it, putting it back together. Okay guys, so this is the result of me blending all those 3 colors together. I have this beautiful color here, as you guys can see. And do not be afraid to try different colors. Blend colors. Sometimes you may think it won't look good together, but once they're blended, they look really good together. Like this, I wouldn't even have thought of. But yeah, so let me know how this goes for you guys. Send me pictures or whatever of what colors you guys blend. I'd love to see it. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you guys and you guys learned how to make your own custom color. So I'll see you guys again in another video.